In this video, I am going to show you how to convert the existing WhatsApp account to a business account. First step is backing up the WhatsApp Messenger data to ensure that none of the previous chats and media get lost during the conversion process. This can be done through the normal WhatsApp app. Go to Settings, Chats, Chats Backup, and Backup Now. If there's a specific chat from a group or individual that is extremely important, get it exported from WhatsApp, like Open the Chat, More, Export Chat. Select to export with or without media. A text file would be composed as an email with the chat history. Once the backup process completes, proceed to the next step, which is to download WhatsApp Business from the Google Play Store for Android users and the Apple App Store in case of iPhone users. Launch the app by clicking on the icon on the home screen once it gets downloaded. A dialog box starting the terms of service of WhatsApp Business would appear. Once read and agreed, proceed to accept the terms and conditions. The next step is to register a phone number with the business account. While converting Messenger to a business account, WhatsApp would automatically identify the number previously in use. Check and click on the number to proceed to the next step. The transfer process will begin automatically. The app has to be kept open without locking the phone before the transfer process completes, as it might cause a hindrance and stop the process. After a while, an option to restore data will appear. Click on Continue or Restore to proceed and move on the next step. WhatsApp Business would ask for access to your contacts, a gallery of media and files. Click Allow to provide access and let the contact list and media sync with the app. Fill out the necessary information required to get started, like the name and category of the business, and choose an appropriate profile picture, preferably the company logo that users can associate with the business. The business profile is an introduction of the business to its users and customers. After that, the WhatsApp Business account will be successfully set up after completing the steps mentioned. To ensure proper functionality, send a text message to someone and start chatting. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.